This lesson is corner radius. So I already created image view. So let's check and apply this view is corner radius. This corner is square type corner but is rounded shape to apply and make rounded shape corner radius. So first of all, image view dot layer dot corner radius is width or height as per your first of all 10 is apply but not applying corner radius. This image is big size, so image view dot clip bound equal true. So apply some corner radius is 10 but is the make rounded set. So height 10 width 200, so 200 divided by 2 is 100, so make rounded image. So this apply corner radius. So thank you watching this video. Like video, share video, subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.